Hey, what is Yoshi doing in there?
Oh no, Mario. Let's go in there.
Okay, no, this must be an entrance. Let's go, Luigi.
Okay, Mario.
Doing?
Woohoo!
Wah! Incoming, Luigi, look out!
Wah! Oh! Wah! Oh! Help me, Mario!
Luigi!
Oh!
Oh!
What is this place, Mario?
I don't know, look out!
I'm gonna die!
Let's go get Yoshi! Hurry!
Oh
What
shoot!
is that?
Oh! Oh!
Okie dokie.
Oh!
Doing? Yoshi, are you okay? Oh.
Mario! Hurry up!
Oh
My ball's
shoot!
coming.
Run!
Let's get out of here, Mario! Get Yoshi.
Come on, Yoshi, let's go!
Go! The entrance open still!
Ah! Let's go!
Okay, Mario. Let's get out of here.
Wow! Wow!
Mario, watch out. The big boss is coming back. Oh, shoot. Go. Run. Let's get out of here. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. This is hard to do, Mario. I weigh like
Look
50
out.
pounds of spaghetti and meatballs earlier.
You ate all my spaghetti?
Yes, I did. And that's why Yoshi ended up in the fainted. Because I gave him it.
Well, when we get back, you're in big trouble, Luigi.
Oh.
Quick, run up there. You okay? Alright, bye.
Mario, wait up. Mario.
Wow!
Oh.